In the previous video, we understood AutoCAD 2027 workspace. We look at the main parts of the screen like drawing area, ribbon, command line, status bar, file tab, navigation bar, and other important workspace elements. Now, from this video, we're going to understand each part of the AutoCAD interface one by one. And we'll start from the top left corner with the application menu. This is the red AutoCAD button you see top left side of the screen. When you click on this button, it opens an application menu. First, this menu may look simple, but it is actually very important because this is where we manage our AutoCAD files. From here, we can create new drawing, open an existing drawing, save our work, save a copy, important files, export files, print, publish, access drawing utilities, close drawings, and even open AutoCAD options. So in this video, I'll explain application menu in a simple beginner-friendly way. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx, AutoCAD 2027 made simple. First, look at the top left corner of the screen. You can see the red AutoCAD icon with the letter A. This is called application. Think of the menu like the main file control center of the AutoCAD. Most of the options inside the menu are related to your drawing file. For example, create a new drawing, opening an existing drawing, saving your current drawing, printing your drawing, export your drawing to another format, close the drawing, or changing the AutoCAD settings. So whenever you want to manage your file itself, this is one of the first place you can check. Now, let's click on the red AutoCAD icon. Once we click on it, application menu, on the left side, you can see a list of file commands. On the right side, you can see recent document. Let's understand these options one by one. The first option is new. New is used when you want to start a fresh drawing. So if you are beginning a new floor plan, a mechanical part, a new furniture layout, or any new drawing from zero, you can use this option. When you click on new, AutoCAD may open blank drawing directly, or it may ask you to choose a template. A template is basically pre-made drawing setup. It includes units, layers, text style, dimension styles, layouts, and other settings. For now, you don't need to worry too much about the templates. Just remember, new means start a new drawing. The next option is open. Open is used when you already have an AutoCAD drawing saved on your computer and you want to open it again. AutoCAD drawing files are usually saved as a DWG files. For example, if someone's give you a floor plan, a building drawing, a mechanical drawing, or any project file, you will use open to select the file from your computer. So remember the simple difference. New means start from zero. Open means continue an existing file. This difference is very important for beginners. The next option is save. Save is used to save your current drawing. This is one of the most important habits you need to build in AutoCAD. Whenever you are working on a drawing, keep saving your work regularly. Because if your computer crashes, AutoCAD closes suddenly, or power goes off, you don't want to lose your progress. So after making important changes, press save. You can save this from the menu, or you can use the save icon from the quick access toolbar. You can also use a keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. For beginner, I recommended saving your drawings again and again while practice. Below save, we have a save as option. Save as is a different from save. Save updates the same file, but save as allows you to save the drawing with the new location or sometimes a different file version. For example, maybe you have a drawing called floor plan version 1. Now you want to make changes, but you also want to keep the original file safe. In this case, you can save as a copy floor plan version 2. This way, your original drawing stays safe and you can work on your new copy. So remember, save updates the current file. Save as create a new copy or a version. This is very helpful in a real project. The next option is import. Import is used when you want to bring certain file types into the AutoCAD. For beginners, you don't need to worry too much about the import things right now, but just understand the basic idea. Import means bring outside data or a file into your AutoCAD drawing. Later, when we work with the different file types or external content, this option may become helpful. For now, just know that import is not something we use every day in a basic beginner drawing. Next, we have export. Export is used when you want to take your AutoCAD drawing and create another file format from it. For example, you may want to export your drawing as a PDF. This is very common. Many times, you create a drawing in AutoCAD, but you don't want to send the DWG file to everyone. Instead, you export it as a PDF so it can be viewed easily by clients, teachers, contractors, or a team member. So export is useful when you want to share your drawings with another format. We'll learn PDF export properly later in this course. For now, just remember, export means creating another file format from the same drawing. Below export, we have a publish. Publish is mainly used when you want to output multiple drawings or multiple sheets together. For example, in a big project, you may have many layout sheets. Instead of printing them one by one, publish can help you to create or print multiple sheets together. As a beginner, you don't need to use it right now, but it is good to know that Publish is mostly useful for large projects with multiple sheets. For now, we'll focus more on the basic printing and PDF export first. Next, we have print. Print is useful when we want to print your drawing or create a printable output. In AutoCAD, printing is also called plotting. So if you hear word plotting in AutoCAD, don't get confused. It usually means printing the drawing. From the print option, you can choose print setting, paper size, scale, layout, and other print settings. Printing in AutoCAD is very important, but it can be confusing for beginners. So we will cover it later in detail. For now, just remember, print or plot is used to output your drawing on a paper or a PDF form. Next, we have drawing utilities. This section contains tools that helps you to check, clean, and manage your drawing files. For example, later you may see tools related to drawing properties, audit, purge, or other maintenance options. These tools are useful when drawings become heavy, messy, or when you need to check drawings information. As a beginner, you don't need to use drawing utilities right now, but remember that this area is used for drawing maintenance and file. We'll come back to this when it becomes important. Now we have a close. Close is used when we need to close the current drawing. If we have unsaved changes, AutoCAD will automatically ask you want to save before closing, so don't worry. AutoCAD will normally give you a warning if you are about to close your file without saving, but still, always build this habit. Before close any drawing, save your work. Now look at the right side of the application. Here you can see the recent document. This area shows drawings you opened recently. This is very helpful because you don't need to search your computer every time. For example, if you worked on a file yesterday, you can open application menu and quickly select from the recent document. You may also see options to change how recent files are displayed, like list view or order list. For now, just remember, recent documents help you to quickly reopen files you worked on before. At the top of the application menu, you can see a search bar. This can help you to search command or option inside the AutoCAD. If you are new, you may not use this a lot at the beginning, but later, when you know the name of the command and want to find something quickly, this search area can help. At the bottom of the application menu, you can see Options. This is a very important button. Options opens the main AutoCAD settings window. From there, you can change many settings related to display, file, drafting, saving, section, user preferences, and more. But Options has a lot of settings, so you don't randomly change things if you don't understand. Later in this course, I'll show you only settings that are important for the beginner. For now, just remember, Option is where AutoCAD settings are controlled. Beside Options, we can see Exit AutoCAD 2027. This closes the AutoCAD application completely. This is different from closing only one drawing. Close means closing the current drawing. Exit means closing AutoCAD itself. Before exiting AutoCAD, always make sure drawing is saved. So let's quickly summarize the application. The application menu is a red AutoCAD button in the top left corner. It is mainly used for command. New starts a new drawing. Open an existing DWG file. Save saves your current drawing. Save as save a new copy or version of the drawing. Import bring external files into AutoCAD. Export creates another file format from your drawing like PDF. Publish is useful for outputting multiple sheets. Print or plot is used for printing or PDF output. Drawing utilities helps manage and maintain drawing files. Close closes the current drawing. Recent documents help you quickly open recent used files. Options open AutoCAD settings, and Exit AutoCAD close the full program. Now I want you to do a small practice task. Click the red AutoCAD application menu. Move your mouse over New and understand that it is Start a New Drawing. Move your mouse over Open and understand that it opens existing DWG file. Look at Save and Save As and remember the difference. Save updates the same file. Save As creates a new copy. Then look at the recent documents area and see which drawings are listed there. You don't need to change any settings today. Just explore menu and become comfortable with it. So this was the application menu in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, you don't need to memorize everything or each option right now. The most important things to remember are New, Open, Save, Save As, Print, Export, Options, and Recent Documents. These are the options you will use most often. In the next video, we'll move to the next part of the interface, the Quick Access toolbar. That is the small toolbar besides the application menu, and it gives us a fast access to a common commands like New, Open, Save, Undo, Redo, and more. So in the next lesson, we'll understand the Quick Access toolbar and see how it can make your AutoCAD workflow faster. I'll see you in the next lesson.